half a lifetime to invent it. So I want you to be totally honest with me on how the machine makes you feel. This being our first try, I'll use the lowest setting.
Hey, thanks for coming by and checking out Pete's Snake Bite Kit. This YouTube channel is about Cobras. Big surprise, right? This is mostly about Pete's Hurricane Motorsports Shelby Cobra, the replica that I'm building. Been working on it for more than a year. It's kind of drivable at this point. What do you think about going for a ride? Okay, here at Pete's Snake Bite Kit, we're not set up for virtual reality. I wish we were. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a couple people for a ride. You're gonna look at kind of their raw reaction. Okay, so Pete's Cobra is not set up for full tilt boogie yet. It's not completely broke in, so I've gotten onto it maybe half throttle, 3/4 throttle, but I've got the rev limiter set at 4,000 RPM. If you have ever driven a car with an abnormally low setting on the rev limiter, it's kind of weird. You know, I'm rolling into the throttle giving these guys a ride, and you know, you feel the horsepower build and it feels good, and right in the middle of the part of this thing, and it's going into rev limiter thing. So I sound kind of like a spaz driving this thing, but the rev limiter is there for a reason. It's very hard to react to if you've ever driven a car with a rev limiter set right in the middle of the power band. So anyway, what is interesting is watch your faces. Neither one of these guys, it's my daughter and her husband, neither one of them have really been in a fast car like this before. And with the Cobra, you multiply the power and the speed by being in an open car. It's even a more fun experience. Okay, the other thing I've mentioned in earlier videos is I wanted this thing to stop. So as you know, it's got 4-piston Wellwood brakes all the way around. I've got the brakes where they've warmed up, they burnished in, and they work. So with both of these guys, I gave them a brake test so they can kind of see what that feels like. It's pretty impressive. No squeak of the tires. It just feel like the hand of God on top of the car just stopping the thing. So we'll see their reaction to the stoppy part of this. Videos I usually say, I hope you enjoyed this half as much as I enjoyed making it. Well, I know it was a lot more fun taking them for a ride than it was for you watching this, but I still hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching Pete's Snake Bite Kit. I'll see you on the next one.